Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. Uh, we just finished packing up everything into the car, and we are making our way to New York. Ugh. Hey guys, say hi to the vlog.
Hello vlog. Hi vlog.
So yeah, we're gonna go on the way to New York right now. This car is like super jam packed,
That's where our hotel is.
and we have our bird's cage. You can't see him, but he's right next to me. We're gonna drop him off at her grandma's. It's gonna be the first stop of today. So yeah.
I look Chinese in that, man.
They're taking a boomerang already. Got some savages. Look, here my bird. Right there.
No, don't show them that one.
He angered. Alright guys, I'll see you later. I don't know when I'll update the vlog. We'll just see what happens. I'm pretty convinced that we'll see a bear on the way. After all, we are going up the East Coast. You know, the East Coast is very known for bears and bear attacks. Alright guys, I just left my bird off at my grandma's house. I already miss him already. And when I left him there, my grandma's dog started going crazy. I already tried to jump him, but my bird's cage was like half open, and my bird, being the smart bird that he is, was trying to escape. But gladly I saw him before he made his attempt, and he's safe there. So now we on the move. We're all comfortable. I got my own chair. My sister's gonna have her own chair. There's a chair right here. When she comes back, she's in the bathroom right now. So yeah. So see you guys later. Right now we're excited to make 4 stops in between here and New Jersey, which is where our hotel is at, and we'll be going to New York in the morning. So yeah, this is day 1, the prep, you know what I'm saying? Alright, I gotta let my phone charge. I'm gonna listen. You know, I left my freaking Bluetooth headphones, bro. Jeez. I'm just gonna sit in silence for like 2 hours, and we'll see what happens. I'm really tired anyway, so.
We've been driving for 10 minutes. How do you feel?
I'm sleepy. Dude, get that out of my face. Get that. Guys, we just made our first stop. We had to use the bathroom.
No, not we.
You had to use the bathroom. We had to stop after driving for an hour just so you could use it.
Well, you can't complain, because we all got snacks.
I paid for the snacks.
I'll pay you back.
How much was your Slim Jim?
Maybe $4.
Dude.
I had no idea. It was $3.29, bro.
Jeez.
Thank you, Donald Trump.
Thank you, Michelle.
We made it to wah wah. Guys, here we're at wah wah. We made it to wah wah. We're in Jacksonville right now, I think.
No, we aren't.
Yeah, we are.
No,
Aren't we, Mom? Are we in Jacksonville
We're in
or
Orlando. We're
Orlando?
going to Jacksonville.
Alright, we're in Orlando.
What up, homies?
We've been sitting down for like a good 4 hours. I'm just in my car watching Good Burger. Home of the Good Burger. Man, take your order. I see that movie like 4 times. That's like my favorite movie. Look at this bridge, bro. Beautiful. Man, I love nature. So right now, you can kind of see my breath. We're gonna go to the sign that says "Welcome to South Carolina." I think we're on the border or something, but look. Oh. Did you see it? Oh. I might just look like an idiot right now and not have anything coming out of my mouth. But I like to see like my breath, like with the smoke or whatever. Like. I found we made it. Hold on, let me put the brightness on. We made it, fam. Welcome to South Carolina. kind of old. So we're here on this side. My dad's over here. He's trying to.
He has a rock as a stand.
He has a rock as a stand on the tree stump, and he's trying to take a time photo. So watch.
A little bit this way.
Watch. She's gonna. Let's wait. My dad's a pro. Don't even worry about it.
Do you have the timer?
We're still here at the time, by the way.
Daniela, I know you're watching. That's where we sat for like 3 hours, right there on that bench. We're gonna cover Carolina.
It's gonna jump.
Took him longer than last time. Dude, it's at an angle. That is going.
Oh my god, here he comes. Alright, I don't know if the camera gonna pick this up, but look. My shoe's glowing, bro. It's glowing. Look at that. Like you get close and it's like black. Because it's like reflective
You see
material.
this tree?
But
Look how
that's swag.
dirty it is.
Guys, we're here at the bus stop or whatever. But guys, look what I found. I found the tree that they use for Timberland. Is my mic? Is my mic loud enough? You know, now that I'm here, hold on. Look at that mic.
Totally.
Now that I'm here, I just remembered that, bro, my hair is messed up, but I remember that, we hit 70 subscribers already. We're on 71 if I'm not mistaken, so, Grecian, what do we do every time we get a new subscriber on this channel?
Every time we get a new subscriber, welcome.
Welcome to the family. I love you. We love you. You think this is a game? Do you think this is a game? Thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the family. The Della Rocha family is not just a group of 5 people. It is a group of now 71 fellas. And we're going strong, guys. Smash the like button. Oh, God, I still got the snuffles. Hey, guys, we're back on the road again. I got the flash on the other side of the camera. Because Apple, the iPhone, doesn't have flash on the selfie camera for video. So yeah, we're on the road again. Yeah, I'm already started to edit this vlog, this video blog for you guys, as you know we're efficient like that. I'll see you later. I just woke up from a nap. Now I'm in North Carolina. I want to sleep for like 2 hours or something. But I feel re-energized. Let's make this money, you know what I'm saying? Bro, it's super nice out here. When I go back out, I'm gonna go show you, like, because there's like a pond over there. It's super nice. I think I've been to this rest stop before. When I came to North Carolina a long time ago. So guys, I just got out of the bathroom, but I washed my freaking face, and it was a mistake. Alright, okay, look, let me show you the pond already. Bruh. There, right here. Go. It's just there's water and stuff. So right there. There's no fishing around these parts of the wood bar. Frick, that's just true.
Here. Why are you listening? Here. Look, that's over there.
Bro, we're gonna steal someone's car today, bro. It be like that sometimes, bro. I remember there was like a cold front in Miami like 2 weeks ago. And it got down to 52, and all I wanted was something to cover my face. This feels so good. I got my hot Little Caesar's breath running all over my face. It's great. Look at me, though. I'm pretty. I gotta adjust my hat. You like the hat? It's nice, right? Yeah, I know. Okay, bro, look. I just stepped out of the mud. But look at this, bro. Look how many of those like little airplane streaks there are, bro. The government definitely up to something. They definitely up to something, bro. That's crazy. They'll be enjoying a nice ice cream on an ice cream day.
Well, it's not cold.
Hey guys,
What's this kid even doing, bro?
Pensaron que había un animal, pero como lo llevamos muy rápido, no lo distinguí si era un perro o si era un venado. Estaban dormidos ustedes, ¿verdad?
No. I mean, yeah.
alright, so we're still in North Carolina right now, but oh my god, look at these leaves. Dude, look over there, they have way more. It's not like cold at all here, but I'm still gonna keep the beanie on because it actually feels really good. So yeah, we're gonna be here for like 30 minutes. My parents, they want to rest, but this is not just a different part of North Carolina.
Ready?
This is northern North Carolina. Yeah, we're already on the border for Pennsylvania, I think it is. Yeah. So I was mistaken when I said we were gonna go to New York. I forgot that we were gonna go to New Jersey first. That's where our hotel is. And we're gonna take a trolley or the subway when we get to New York, but
Water.
yeah. Alright, we ain't playing no more games, bro. We're going to Canada, bro. How do you start this? I have no idea where we are. These are like the first buildings I have seen in like 4 hours. Dude, that water is dirty as heck. What the heck, bro?
Virginia Holocaust Museum.
Say rest in peace.
Rest in peace.
Look at this. Look at this bird. See that? Did you see it? Did you see it? Did you see it, big bird? It's a clock tower. Whoa, what the heck is this, bro? Look at all this. Oh my god, bro. Civilization. I was like kind of knocked out when we drove here. And I almost thought it was Miami. There's a lot of buildings. Impressive. I don't think I'll ever see as many buildings together as Miami do. You could try. Miami, the best 305 forever. Okay, I found out where we are. This is Richmond. Richmond suck. Rest in peace. What do you think about it, Mitchell?
You just woke up and you're already bald.
There's like a million dead animals. I think we're in Washington. I don't think that's a state. Bro, look for him. Yeah, we're right now we're by Lesvania State Park. Yeah. Oh, look what's over there. Look what's over there. That's cool. That's cool. I got booger. This is the obelisk. That's so awesome, dude. Oh my god. You can use the stairs here. That's awesome, bro. There's just a Ferris wheel here, bro. This place is so awesome. Look at We just made a stop somewhere here. We're in Maryland right now. I keep falling asleep, but it's alright. I got a milkshake right here. But look at these houses. They're like in the middle of literally this is like where they get their cases for FBI files, bro. Bro, people be mysteriously dying here on the daily.
Jonathan.
Right now we're almost at our hotel, I think. Oh god, we're 2 hours off from our hotel. Yeah, just another update.
Wait, no.
Dude, they got the most littest songs on the radio station. Look at this place. It's so pretty. And put the brightness up.
Arthur Lyman with Winter Wonderland. A great version
So nice.
of that tune. And before that, we heard Ween with
Oh,
Silent
I just
Night.
wish I knew.
And you were listening to
Look at that tree
Minnie's
back
Christmas
there.
special here. I'm Ben Bona now. Ladies and gentlemen,
Yeah, it looks like the keys.
What?
Season greetings. Season greetings. Shut the forest.
Whoa, bro, they
heck is
decorated
this?
for Christmas.
Oh my God, miren el puente.
Oh my god, look at the bridge.
It's a Brooklyn Bridge.
This is not the Brooklyn Bridge.
Oh,
It's really
for
cool.
real?
Look at this, bro.
How do you know? You ever been there?
We made it, finally. Alright, yeah. We already got the exit. We're almost there. Guys, we just got to the hotel.
Didn't even ask me if I was okay.
Oh. We're here now. Bye bye.